Hiya, welcome back. And if you're watching this either while you're at Maker Central or you've already been to Maker Central, or maybe you sadly couldn't make it, but either way, if you did go, I hope you had a fantastic time. In this video, I'm making these little keyring tags that I was given out at Maker Central. If you were lucky enough to get one of these, and there was very limited numbers, if you got one of these, you've got a little bit of history from my back garden, and I thought I would just very quickly explain it before you can watch us making them. So basically, when we first moved to our current home, there was nothing in the back garden apart from this lonely, stumpy little cherry tree in the corner of the garden. Well, I don't know about you, but after a hard day's graft in either the workshop or in the garden, I do like to just sit in the sun on the 1 or 2 days of sun that we actually get here. I do like to just sit in the sun with a beer in the evening, chill out for a bit and just wind down. And sadly, this stumpy little cherry tree ended up getting massive, and within a couple of years it was so big it was blocking all of the sun to my favourite beer chair. So it went a journey. If it grew that much in 2 or 3 years, it's just going to get ridiculously big and far too big for our tiny back garden. So I had to get rid of it, but me being a complete hoarder, I couldn't just chuck it in the bin. So I've kept this bit of a cherry tree. I chopped all the little branches off and stuff, and I kept the main kind of trunk of it. I mean, it was only 3-inch wide or something, 3-inch diameter. But I ended up keeping this, and it's been sitting in my workshop for coming on for a couple of years now, and I've been tripping over it every day, and I figured, you know, I'll find something to make out of it one day. And ladies and gentlemen, this day has arrived. I do have some left over, so if you didn't manage to get one of these at Maker Central and you really want one, they are very rustic, by the way. But if you do want one, let us know in the comments, and I might make a few more of them and post them out, or do some sort of eBay thing or something. No promises, mind. And of course, you'll recognise those bits of aluminium on the floor from a previous job. They've finally gone in the loft.